Hi guys, are you bored of the normal hair? Let's add some drama to it with the birds of Paradyes. So I am parting my hairs into two different sections and using the lower strands to color my hair using their lightning pad. For that I am mixing the developer and the blonder powder in equal quantities, mixing it well to create a paste. Once it gets mixed, I am using a paper foil to part my hair. After that, I am putting it evenly on the lower ends of my hair. After the application, I would close the foil so that the hair color does not leak out. I let it set for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash my hair with my normal shampoo. This is how the hair looks like after bleaching it up. Since I wanted to make my hair look basic yet crazy, so I'm using the shade Honey Blonde. Again, after application, I let it wait for 30 minutes and after that would wash my hair. Let's see how beautifully it turned out. Just look at that, how beautiful and how smooth the hair looks like. Try it yourself and add some drama to your life. Goodbye.